Name of the instrument, picture of instrument and uses. Silicone catheter and their uses. Compared to rubber catheter, silicone catheter causes less injury and reduce substantially irritation of the urinary mucosa. It is recommended for the patient requiring long-term indwelling urinary catheter. Three-way Foley's catheter. Three-way Foley's catheter. Just like two-way Foley's catheter, one connector of the three-way catheter is used to drain the urine while the other is used to inflate the balloon. The third channel allows for continuous bladder irrigation that helps removing debris and blood clots. Suprapubic catheter. Catheter, inflate balloon, bladder, uterus comb, bowel, urethra. Uses it is inserted into the bladder through an incision of the abdomen a few inches below the umbilicus. This is suprapubic catheter. Red rubber catheter. Red rubber catheter are used like other straight catheter. The catheter is inserted through the urethra into the bladder. Red rubber catheter are designed to be used once and then thrown away.